morning, children. Welcome back. Today we'll continue Unit 3 Financial Market Part 2, that is Chapter 7 Stock Exchange. In last video we discussed stock exchange, origin, meaning and definition, functions of stock exchange, features of stock exchange. In this video we'll discuss benefits and limitations of stock exchange in India, types of speculators. Benefits and limitations of stock exchange. It is classified into three. One is benefits to the community. Next, benefits to the company. Next one is benefits to the investors. First we'll discuss benefits to the community. Here they given 5 subtitles. One is economic development, another one fundraising platform, tools to derivate resources, capital formation, fundraiser for government. First we'll discuss economic development. It accelerates the economic development by ensuring steady flow of saving into productive purpose. Fundraising platform. It enables the well-managed profit-making companies to raise limitless fund by fresh issue of shares from time to time. Tools to divert resources. Scarce resources are thus diverted to effectively run enterprise for better utilization. Capital formation. It encourages capital formation. Fundraiser for government. It enables government to raise funds for undertaking projects through sale of securities on the stock exchange. Thus, stock exchange serves as a platform for raising public debt. Benefits to the company. Enhance goodwill or reputation. Companies whose shares are quoted on a stock exchange enjoy greater goodwill and credit standing. Wide market. There is a wide and ready market for such securities. Raise huge fund. Stock exchange can raise huge fund easily by issue of shares and debentures. Increase bargaining strength. Companies whose share raised in the stock exchange commanded higher bargaining power in the event of further expansion, merger or amalgamation. Benefits to investors. Liquidity. Stock exchange helps an investor to convert his shares into cash quickly and thus increase the liquidity of his investment. Adding collateral value of security. The fact that a security is dealt on a stock exchange market, it is a good collateral security for obtaining loan from banks. Investor protection. The stock exchange safeguard investors' interest and ensure fair dealing by strictly enforcing its rules and regulations. Assigning real worth of security. An investor can easily assess the real worth of security in his hands, as market quotations are published daily in the newspaper and in websites. Mechanism to trade security. Stock exchange provide a mechanism by which purchase and sale of listed securities take place in a matter of few minutes. Limitation of stock exchange. The limitation of stock exchange are as follows. Lack of uniformity and control of stock exchange. Absence of restrictions on the membership of stock exchange. Failure to control unhealthy speculation. Allowing more than one charge in the place. Non-insistence of margin requirement in stock exchange or in the case of produce exchange. No proper regulation of listing of securities on the stock exchange. Stock exchange in India. There are 24 stock exchange in the country, with 21 of them being regional in nature. Three other that have been set up in the reforms era Vice National Stock Exchange, that is NSE, the Over the Counter Exchange of India Limited OTCEI, and Interconnected Stock Exchange of India Limited ISE have mandate to nationwide trading network. The ISE has been promoted by 15 regional stock exchange in the country and it based at Mumbai. The NSE, OTCEI, ISE and majority of the regional stock exchange have adopted the screen-based trading system, that is SBTS, to provide automated and modern facilities for trading in a transparent, fair and open manner with access to investors across the country. Top 10 stock exchange in the world. The New York Stock Exchange, located in the New York City, $19.223 trillion in listed market capitalization. NASDAQ, short for the National Association of Securities Dealer Automated Quotation. This electronic stock exchange is located in the New York City. $6.831 trillion in listed market capitalization. London Stock Exchange. It is located in London, England. $6.187 trillion in listed market capitalization. Tokyo Stock Exchange, formerly known as the Japan Exchange Group, located in Tokyo, Japan. $4.485 trillion in listed market capitalization. Shanghai Stock Exchange, located in Shanghai, China. $3.986 trillion in listed market capitalization. Euronext, located throughout Europe, France, Portugal, the Netherlands and Belgium. $3.321 trillion in listed market capitalization. Hong Kong Stock Exchange, located in Hong Kong, $3.325 trillion in listed market capitalization. Shenzhen Stock Exchange, located in Shenzhen, China. $2.285 trillion in listed market capitalization. TMX Group. The Canadian Stock Exchange is located in Toronto, Canada. $1.939 trillion in marketed capitalization. Bombay Stock Exchange, located in Mumbai, India. $1.682 trillion in market capitalization. Types of speculator. Speculator in a stock market are of different types. They carry their names depending on their motive of trading in the stock exchange. They are named after animal as their behavior could be compared best with the behavior of animals. Bull. A bull or tejiwala is an operator who expects a rise in price of securities in the future. In anticipation of price rise, he makes purchase of shares at present and other securities with the intention to sell at higher price in future. He is called bull because just like a bull tends to throw his victim up in the air, the bull speculator stimulates the price to rise. He is an optimistic speculator. A bear or Madiwala speculator expects price to fall in future and sells securities at present with a view to purchase them at lower price in future. A bear does not have securities at present but sells them at a higher price in anticipation that he will supply them by purchasing at lower price in future. Stake. A stake is a cautious speculator in the stock exchange. He applies for share in new companies and expects to sell them at a premium. If he gets an allotment, he selects those companies whose shares are in more demand and are likely to carry a premium. Lame duck. When a bear finds it difficult to fulfill his commitment, he is said to be struggling like a lame duck. A bear speculator contacts to sell securities at a later date. On the appointment time, he is not able to get the securities as the holders are not willing to part with them. Moreover, the buyer is not willing to carry over the transactions. Listen children, today we discussed 7.4 benefits and limitations of stock exchange. Next 7.5 stock exchange in India. 7.6 types of speculator. Types of speculator is very important question. Either they will ask 5 mark or 3 mark. Don't forget, you must learn this question answer. Thank you. Have a nice day children.